All right, our cross-country skier question. This is now we're getting into doing kind of real questions. We've got a cross-country skier. She wants to go forward. It says that she gets from rest to 5 meters per second in 2 seconds. That should hopefully ring some bells that we're going to start with kinematics. She started from rest. She got to a speed of 5 in a time of 2 seconds. Newton's second law is all about acceleration, so that's what we're going to try and find. This particular setup, we don't care about d, so that's this equation, v2 minus v1 all over t. 5 take away 0 all over 2. That means our acceleration is 2.5 and meters per second squared. Now we can move, now it just changes into, hopefully, we're getting the hang of it, it changes into one of these F net equals ma things. I'm always going to draw a free body diagram. As we get going, they'll get more complicated. For now, they look the same over and over again. But later on, you'll appreciate having the free body diagram done up front. Gravity straight down, still don't care how big gravity is, but it's there. The ground reacts and pushes up on it. Doesn't say anything about the skier trampolining in the air. Doesn't say anything about the skier like falling down through the ground. That tells me that the normal and gravity have to be the same. I just don't really care what their values are, but I know they cancel out. This one, we were told the friction force is 40. And I don't know that forward force. I'm going to call it F applied. Newton's second law, F net equals ma. F net is forward minus backward. Sometimes we'll say bigger minus backward and smaller, but in this case we have a tug of war. Our F applied wants to go forward, friction's fighting it, so friction is a negative force, and that's equal to ma. Now I know everything in there but the FA. FA, I don't know. Take away the friction of 40. If you scroll over in the question, I said she had a mass of 60, and the acceleration that we just figured out is 2.5. So a little bit of math, FA minus 40, 60 times 2.5 is 150. So FA is 190. Good job.